There is a big news I just witnessed. I saw a video online. I told you guys that Biafran had just been registered as a country. In this video, the England guard, they were displaying different flags, and they carried Biafran flag as well. You can see the screenshots. I had to screenshot for the video. They had to carry Biafran flag as well. We are making so much victory. We're making so much victory already attached to our names, and that is why I must advise Biafrans not to give up, especially at this moment that our victory is reaching the ends of the earth. There's a big message, there's a big news, and we must push through regardless. Now, as we continue the mission to achieve Biafran goal, I can use your man to see Makana. If I not true, a mezigo, and that's just the big energy. So, if we understand the whole process, it must be in the right direction. And they are not matching with the Biafran flag because they understand that Biafra is a nation, but was denied for a long time. And again, I will say it, and again and again and again, that victory is already coming. Victory is already coming, and victory will definitely come. This hate against the Igbo, this hate against Biafra will definitely come to an end. It will definitely come to an end, and our life must be in the, circle of what we choose to be, not what they choose for us. So as this victory is coming so closer and closer on a daily basis, we must understand, we must learn that Biafra has become an ideology that you can't wipe out easily. People who use the name of Biafra to commit crime in Biafran land must face the law. You go and carry IPOB uniform, you put on. You carry ESN uniform, you put on. You're not going to be the defenders of Biafran land. You need to na kwasasi obodo na agbawusi mu Igbo. Onye Igbo buru nwanne ya ahụhụ onye Igbo. Iwo onye Fulani. And he kwesịghị inwe oche na ala Igbo. So when you use gun, you use bullet to come and commit crime, and you call yourself Biafra to spoil the name that Nnamdi Kanu and some people like Ojukwu has built, I don't see any reason why you should be alive, because you are evil. And that's who you are. So as we commence the march for victory, we're asking that this journey will be fair enough, because all I can say is that victory has already been registered. What I've been trying to lecture people on. Get. So continue with what I have said earlier. There's a lot of exposition that we have come across, and will continue to keep coming across. Now, of course, 14 powerful international ICC judiciary have gathered together, will be gathering together tomorrow to finally sign in Biafra as a country. And of course, that is going to be a great testimony. That's going to be a great news. That is going to be a great uh, journey of what we persevere. It is a question of time. It is a matter of how it should be done and what needs to be done. You see, we have come too far and we must persist. We have been so consistent that even our enemies are so surprised to see the journey we're embarking on. You get the point. We are so committed, and even our enemies are beginning to see that there's no room for them anymore. It's either they agree with our government or they stand aside. It's either they agree with our government or they stand aside, because we are not going to compromise. We won't compromise. When it comes to Biafra, we mean business. And when we mean business with every accurate wordings. No intimidation, no memory lost. Nothing will intimidate Biafrans from doing the needful. That is where we place our minds. That is exactly where we place our minds. So as we continue to write for this very freedom to actualize Biafra, judiciaries will be gathering tomorrow to do the needful, to come together to make sure that everything that they have discussed is carried out the way they have promised to. I will say it again and again. Biafra is not a place to joke with. You understand? We must continue from where we stopped. And that's the encouragement I have for Biafrans along the line.